Here we are in Kuranda. This is the railway station. We're about to go on the rainforest tour today.
This is rail today. Please wait until the train has arrived before proceeding onto the station platform. Your ticket will specify which carriage you will be boarding. Carriage 1 is located at the front of the train. Please note that large bulky items and trams should be placed in your baggage compartment. These are located at the front and the rear of the train. Please ask our staff for assistance. On behalf of QR, the staff and Freshwater Railway trust that you will enjoy tropical North Queensland heritage experience on the original Kuranda Railway.
Meine Damen und Herren, bitte verbleiben Sie auf den Bahnsteigen unter der gelben Sicherheitsmaske. Warten Sie steigen in den Teil der vollkommen
Hotel beside the railway line. The Red Beret was named after the previous owner, who was a member of the Red Beret paratroopers during the Second World War. If you look for the tree line meandering through the patchwork of
That's weird, those square.
You may also catch glimpses of the Barron River. We will follow this river upstream once we enter the Barron Gorge. The Stony Creek Falls are at here and a drop of 46 metres. If you look to the right and back towards the bridge, you may be able to obtain another great photo of the falls. 2002 was one of the driest years ever recorded for the Cairns region. Only 1/3 of the average annual rainfall was received, and as a result,
This is worth it, I think. A big one.